If you're using a case on your phone, you need to use the rectangular set. Simply stick the metal plate on the inside of the case and apply the protective sticker on top of it. The protective transparent sticker ensures the metal plate leaves no scratches on your phone. Brilliant, easy, and so strong! If you don't use a case, you need to use the circular set. First, apply the protective sticker directly on your phone. Then stick the circular metal plate on top of it. Done! Once again, super strong and secure. A point to note, the 6 magnets are so well optimized that even with a case, the magnetic grip on the phone is reassuringly strong. Let's head to the car. The iGrip magnetic mount is specially designed for car air vents. All you have to do is press the lock and release the buttons and insert the clamp into your air vent. It has a unique double spring clamp design, which gives it a firm and strong grip. And that's it, we're done. Actually using the mount, it's like magic.